SoundAI Studio is a groundbreaking new AI tool that just hit the market, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know before you start using it. If you've been looking for an AI software that's making waves right now, this might be the one you've been waiting for. Stick around because we'll uncover everything you need to know to make the most out of SoundAI Studio. First things first, SoundAI Studio is all about revolutionizing how we create sound. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or even a business looking to enhance your audio branding, this software is designed to simplify your workflow and elevate your content with AI-generated sound effects, music, and even voiceovers. Yes, it's all done with the power of artificial intelligence, making it easier than ever to create professional audio with minimal effort. What sets SoundAI Studio apart is its ability to generate custom sound effects and music tailored to your specific needs. You can simply input keywords or themes, and the software will generate unique sounds that match your vision. This is perfect for anyone working on projects like video production, podcasts, games, or even social media content, where the sound needs to match the mood or tone. But here's where it gets interesting. SoundAI Studio's AI can learn your preferences. As you use the software more, it starts to recognize patterns in the sounds you create, offering smarter suggestions over time. This means less time spent on trial and error, and more time on the creative aspects of your projects. And the best part? The software is incredibly intuitive, so you don't need to be a sound engineer to use it. Now let's talk about the library. SoundAI Studio comes with a vast library of pre-made sounds and music. But what makes this even more powerful is that everything in the library is fully customizable. You can tweak the tempo, pitch, and mood, making it easy to adapt a sound to your exact needs. This feature is a game changer for content creators who need flexibility in their audio assets without relying on third-party stock libraries. Another major highlight is its seamless integration with other digital marketing tools. If you're someone who's been in the game for a while, you'll know how important it is to have software that syncs well with your existing platforms. SoundAI Studio allows easy export options, so you can incorporate your custom sounds into your videos, ads, or websites without any headaches. One of the most exciting features of SoundAI Studio is its automatic voiceover generation. It's perfect for those creating explainer videos, product tutorials, or any content where a professional sounding voice is needed. You can even input your script, and the software will generate a voiceover that matches your brand's tone. This feature alone can save you hundreds of dollars in voice talent fees, and it's one of the reasons why I highly recommend SoundAI Studio. However, as with any software, there are some limitations. While the AI is impressive, it's still learning. If you need highly specific sounds or something ultra customized, it may require some additional tweaking. But for most standard needs, the software does a fantastic job. And with regular updates, I expect SoundAI Studio will only improve over time. Now, if you're wondering whether SoundAI Studio is worth your investment, here's the best part. It's completely free to try out. You can test all of these features before committing, so you've got nothing to lose. Just check the first link in the description below to start your free trial. It's a no-brainer if you're looking to upgrade your audio creation process with cutting-edge AI. I've tried thousands of AI tools over the years, and SoundAI Studio is definitely one of my top picks for 2025. If you're serious about taking your content to the next level, don't miss out on this one. Be sure to check out my recommended AI software in the description below, which I've personally vetted and tested for you. So whether you're a newbie or an experienced content creator, SoundAI Studio has something to offer you. Try it for free today and see how it can transform your audio game.